Welcome back to our Dakis University series on how to use the new dakisPay integrated payment method. I'm Matt from Dakis, and today we're going to learn how to capture authorized payments using dakisPay. Let's get started by logging into your mydakis portal. One quick way to know if you have authorized orders waiting for capture is to look in the Recent Orders panel on the home screen. At the very bottom of the Recent Orders panel, there's a row with the text displaying the number of orders that have payments that need to be captured. Next to that text is the button View Authorized Orders. Let's click that now. This will open up the All Orders page with filters already applied to display all the authorized payments from the last year. Note that you can also get here anytime by clicking and expanding the Orders drop-down menu in the left panel, then clicking the All Orders option. We can add additional filters by selecting a filter from the drop-down shown here, then selecting a value from the drop-down next to it. If at any point we want to start over, we can hit the Clear Filters button here on the right to remove any filters we've added so far, or we can delete them individually by clicking on the little X icon on any of the filter tags. If we need to find a specific order, we can use the search bar to look for it using the order number, printing order number, customer name, email, or phone number, or the brand name or partial name found in any line item in the cart. Let's look up an order number. Once we've found the order we're looking for, let's click the View button next to the order to bring it up in full page view. Next, we'll look over the order and make sure it's good to go. When we have, we can click the Capture Payment button. You can find that button in orange in the top right-hand corner of the Order Details page. Let's click that now. This will open a modal window asking us to confirm by clicking the Capture Payment button a second time. Having this extra confirmation step helps prevent clicking the Capture Payment button by mistake. That's it. That's everything you need to capture payments. Be sure to check out our other videos for more information about how to best use your dakis solutions. You can find that and more at help.dakis.com. Visit today.